Hey guys, it's me, Enos, with another video, and today I'm just basically just getting rid of this. There's a cave down there, and found a couple pieces of iron right there. You know, I'm not mining it. I'm just need cobblestone. So most of you probably guessed it. Just gonna say it anyway. Can build a humongous, maybe two, cause like I have a double chest. So I'm hoping maybe two humongous, like big. I don't know about humongous mob spawners, because we are that need mob spawners because we need TNT, and stuff like that. We don't actually need TNT, but we want TNT, or I do. I don't know if Timothy does. I shouldn't really speak of someone. I'm guessing, and with mobs, potions, and I do have a zombie villager caught, and I'm going to make me a limited reach farm if nothing happens. And yeah, I do apologize for not doing it yesterday. Hey guys, I'll be back as soon as I mine all this. Just want to kind of show you, because you don't want to watch me. So see ya. I just realized that I'm right here where we go to our house. So sorry, Timothy. I didn't mean to. It's kind of like this. Anyway. Come on. This is gonna be annoying. I don't have any shovels, so yeah. I'll just want to show you guys that. So yeah. Hey guys, and my pickaxe broke, and I'm sorry about the background noise if you do hear any, and it's my sister. She's playing with my cousin, so I do have to go fix that. I just wanted to tell you and show you how much cobblestone I have already. So anyway, yeah, I just want to show you that and see. Okay, so I am done with this, The only reason that is there is because right here, I was coming in here. This is how you get up to our house, So I had to move this back, it caused problems. So I decided to quit right there, and let's see how much cobblestone we have, and again, I apologize for Andy. Let's take all our cobblestone. If we have to, I will use the other stuff, but not unless I have to. I'll keep 2 pickaxes with me and a couple of torches because we don't want them to spawn or nothing. And I'll tell you when I'm there. Okay guys, I am back, and I did get my 2 buckets. I only need 2 right there, and let's go make ourselves a mob spawner. There's tons of different ways, I know, but I was thinking, the way I do it, and I'm gonna make another one, but different. And it's supposed to look better. I'm hoping it'll work, because if it does, then it won't take half of the cobblestone. And so I think I'm gonna go 100 blocks up. Timothy said like 60, but I'm going 100, because I hate it when mobs spawn and don't die. So I'm going 100, and I will be back when I am at 100 blocks. So see. Hey guys, and we made a mistake. So
yeah, we kind of both fell.
Yeah.
And,
hey dude, why didn't you just make another one up? Oh yeah, because you didn't even know which way to go. Well, oh well. It's just a simple mistake. We are making our mob spawner. Hopefully we do have enough cobblestone. I don't know yet.
Yeah. Hopefully.
Because then I have to go get more. And it is annoying. I'm just kidding. That's pretty fun. Until you do it for about an hour. I'm just kidding. I didn't do it for that long. But it seemed like forever. To me.
I know.
Like, you guys seen all the work I did? Like, if you watch your first couple videos, dude, guys, you can see all the work I did.
Alright, I'll be back. Hold on.
And this thing here is about 90 blocks up. Just because I thought we could add more of them. You know what I mean? Like right here we could add another one. Timmy. Like we can add like 10 of them in the same one, and then it doesn't take as much cobble. Pretty cool ideas, if you ask me.
It would, dude. Do you know how awesome that would be?
Yeah,
You know
dude.
how much gunpowder, bone meal, arrows. We would literally stay here for 3 hours, and there would still be stacks and stacks and stacks of stuff.
Hey, dude. Yeah, I know. And then we can turn the bone meals, or the bones into bone meals, and then we can turn the bone meals into those dispenser thingies, and then we can have our automatic tree farm.
Well, we'd still have to go mine them with an axe, but I mean.
Yeah, I know that. We still have to go mining, but we can still use tons of TNT. Like, we should just go out to lava, TNT up.
No, dude. You know that excavation you're doing? Do you know how quickly we could speed that up?
Dude, I just did it for cobble, man. But, yeah.
I know. We could go all the way down to bedrock with it and then make layers like our.
We could make, like, one of those drills, and then we could make one of those drill thingies where it just keeps on dropping TNT.
Oh, dude, I know exactly what you're talking about. Yeah, dude, that's amazing.
It'll just keep on dropping TNT, you know.
Yeah, are you up there yet?
And then we can take the entire world and make a humongous ditch. And then that way monsters can never come to where we are. We can make like a big canyon around us. Like that'll ever happen though. Yeah, dude, I'm almost up.
And then remember to drop the water.
Yeah, I will, dude. Dude, I don't want an XP one though that much. Can we do it like how I did it? You know how I did it, dude?
Oh, yeah, dude, we're doing it for the resources, dude.
Yeah, because, you know, XP is good, but, you know, then you have to be here, and then sometimes they escape.
Well, dude, also, if we do an XP one, we could make it like the last one. That way mobs, when they drop, they're alive, and we can kill them for their XP, so that we can enchant stuff.
I guess, dude, like, if you want to do that, but I just want to kind of...
Yeah, I know what you're talking about. It's a beachy idea.
Okay, dude.
Oh. Alright, so you dropped it from which one?
I dropped it from all four, dude. All four.
Alright, can you remove them now?
Okay, I will.
There's that.
I'm surprised it fell that far.
Oh, dude, what are you talking about? Water falls all the freaking time.
Yeah, I guess.
Did you drop cobble?
Yeah. When I destroyed it, instead of using my buckets, I just used cobble.
Oh, okay.
Anyway, I guess like we could like make another one off of this one that would be more of an XP farm, because it'd be lower down.
That's what I was talking about, dude.
But dude, we can make about 10 of them in one of them, because I made about 90 blocks high, and we could make them about 10 blocks apart, right? No, like around
Yeah.
So we can make about 9 of them, and then if we want, we can still make this higher, you know, because we don't want to use too much cobble. You know, cobble is a resource you can get anywhere, but it is like very annoying to get.
Yeah, it's very annoying to get.
And we can't AFK a guy because this is actually I could with my controller, I just don't want to. I might actually do that when my other controller comes with my sister's Ida's phone. You know, she can be our slave servant. Dude, they should get like the miner villager where you can slave him and he will just like mine stuff for you all day.
I know, but that's a mod, dude.
Oh, what?
That's vanilla Minecraft.
Yeah, this is vanilla. Are you coming up, dude?
Yeah, I am. Remember, I have to build it around that way mobs actually drop in the hole.
Mm.
And they're not like 100 blocks away from, you know.
No, I just only reason I was asking because then I thought this is high. You know, it seems higher in here than I can actually see trees.
I can actually see it. I can see the top of it.
Well, during the night you can't though. Like in the night we couldn't even see it. You gotta say to believe.
Lean on me. What?
Oh, wait. Hey, Timothy, what was my new subscriber's name again? I forget. I'm sorry, dude. Timothy told me about it. Are you pulling my leg?
No, I'm not.
Is he on our subscriber or mine? Like, is he on your channel or my channel or both?
Dude, I forgot to mention you. It's okay, next live stream.
Huh?
Sorry, he will subscribe, I think. I don't know. But,
Okay, and another thing, dude, so, you know, I was just thinking, like, what if one of us gets more subscribers and starts getting money? Are we going to share it with the other or not?
Yeah.
Okay, I was just making sure, because, you know, you have way more subscribers than I do.
I know, but...
It's because you started before I did, okay? I have an excuse.
Yeah.
How high do the walls have to be, dude? 2, 3? Dude, I don't think I'm making walls 3 high. Endermen might spawn in it, but they probably won't fall.
No, but then spiders won't. Spiders won't, and we need the string.
Okay, fine. 2 high.
Yeah.
Maybe like we should make like one of them 3 high. Then we should make another one farther down, 2 high. Then we should make another one farther down, just big enough for spiders to spawn.
Oh yeah. We should.
Cause like spiders, actually, what? Like, you know, we don't just need the webs. You know, we need everything from a spider, though. Especially once we get our blaze rod.
After we find the stupid nether
I didn't see it, guys, but I died.
And then he died, and then we lost a diamond pickaxe.
My diamond pickaxe, but we do have tons of diamonds, so it doesn't really matter. Like, not that many diamonds where we can just randomly throw them around, but we do still have enough diamonds to cover that peak. Oh, dude, I lost a diamond sword.
What?
2 of them. I'm just kidding. I found one of them again.
Okay, this is coming straight out of your paycheck.
No, Daddy, don't. No, but I'm sorry about that.
It's fine.
What happened was I was trying to find some slime so I could finish my wheat project. But, dude, this is like very weird, but we could build our wheat on top of this.
No, because then we'd have to come up here every time.
No, it's automatic, dude. All we have to do is press a button. Oh, yeah, I'm sorry.
Yeah, you would need a lot of resources.
And then we had to get the villager up here, which would be annoying because you got to get the villager to plant it.
I know, and how are we going to get him up here?
So I was thinking, you know that excavation I was made? I was thinking we could build lots of our farms there, like my wheat farm, maybe a couple of chicken farms, because we don't want it surrounding our land, because then thieves will take it from us. Or then, like, I don't know, creepers can blow it up or something.
Yeah, Angie, we're talking about you.
Yeah, she's not here.
I know.
You can hear her in the background, though. It's, like, loud enough.
Wait, shh. No, I can't hear her.
You can't? Well, I can. Oh, it's so annoying.
Yeah. Dude, I think I may have taken a bigger bite than I could handle.
Did you run out of cobble?
No.
Just annoying.
Yeah.
Well, dude, I'm almost done up here. All I gotta do is the roof.
I'm not even close to done down here.
I do see you, though.
I know.
Hey, I see you. If I had a bow and arrow, I could just snipe you off.
You better not.
I don't have a bow and arrow.
Yeah, good.
Dude, I want to make a cannon. If we get rich enough, I want to make a cannon.
Oh, you really?
Mm-hmm.
Wait, a TNT cannon?
Yeah. If you guys want to make your own cobblestone thingy, you don't know how, even though most of you know, just for people who don't, this is how you do it. All you gotta do is go 8, 9 this way, or just 8, and then build a wall. 2 or 3 high, doesn't matter. And you gotta fill this in, and you gotta, as high as you want. For me, I like as high, really high, because I hate it when they spawn and they don't die, especially creepers. Do you know why? Because if you don't do it right, you know what's going to happen? Kaboom! Trust me, I already had it happen.
Hey, Enos, guess what?
What?
You should check out the live stream. I tell you what, I was in God mode. Like, I was in God mode in Cake Wars. It was like...
Dude, I love Cake Wars. I don't like Cake Wars as much as I like Bed, or I don't like Bed Wars as much as I like Cake Wars, dude. Cake Wars is more simpler and fun.
I know, although Cake Wars is kind of a ripoff of Bed Wars.
Yeah, but like Cake Wars is like for people who don't like all the hard stuff about Bed Wars. I'm just kidding though. But Bed Wars is like way more complex.
I know, it's a complex being.
Dude, I think we're going to have enough cobblestone because I still have 4 stacks and I'm almost done.
Alright, dude, then you have to drop down here and help me.
I should put up a couple of torches so they don't spawn. Dude, do you want me to put torches on top?
What just happened? Watch monsters start spawning at the bottom there.
Oh, I didn't put a torch yet. Dude, is there really monsters?
No, I said watch the monsters. Hey, dude, yeah, I kind of ran out of cobble.
I got you, man. See if you can catch. Here, Daddy, catch. Did you catch it?
Yeah, I did.
Epic. Do you want me to put lanterns on the top of this, dude?
Do what?
You want me to put lanterns on the top, or the torches on the top?
Yeah, do torches right now, like, just so that we can see, and mobs don't start spawning.
No, I mean on the top.
Oh, no.
I just know some people do because that way they don't spawn on the top, but, it doesn't matter.
Dude, if I come up there, and I find out that I'm doing this wrong, I'm gonna be mad.
Oh, dude, you're doing it right. Trust me.
Hey, Enos, I might run out of cobble again.
Dude, I don't have enough torches to make it that they won't spawn. So they're probably gonna spawn, so yeah.
Yeah. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, out.
Do. Bum bum bum. Do.
I got some gravel and dirt here that I can build with.
Dude, no, do not use dirt. You know how picky I am.
It's just 2 blocks. 1 gravel, 1 dirt.
No,
That's all. Come on, you can't even see it.
no. Dude, you know how picky I am. I'm just about done and I'm coming down.
Okay.
I got a plan, dude.
What's your plan?
You'll see.
No fun. That scared the fart out of me. Oh my god, dude, I am on so low health, a fart could kill me.
Just hang on for a little bit more, dude. Just like 2 seconds more.
I have two hearts missing, that's all.
Dude, oh, and the end of this, we're gonna do a suicide where we just all jump down.
Yeah, I know, we're gonna be like, the world doesn't revolve around us. The world owes me. And then jump.
No!
No!
Epic fail!
Dude, I got 2 cobblestone from that. You landed it, and then you completely failed.
That's what I do to parkour just about every time.
I see you down there. Okay, I can't see you, but I can see your name tag.
Dude, are you completely out of cobble?
No, dude, hold up. I threw you an iron pick.
Oh, thanks, dude. I thought I had to do this myself.
You do, son. Jenny. I also threw you some seeds. Dude, at the end of this, let's make a parkour course.
Dude, we should, like, up and off of this, like, make it cool. No, that'd be annoying. Dude, let's go to the way top on, like, the top of the building, and then jump down and try to make it into a water.
Dude, put one single water source there.
No, we each get a bucket. We each get a bucket of water, and then we jump off, and we have to place the water, and then we have to survive the jump. How about that?
Yeah, I know exactly what you're talking about. I like match for that.
I don't. I die a lot of it. I've never made it.
Oh, then this is going to be a serious challenge for you.
Yeah.
Are you warming up, dude?
I'm coming, dude.
Do you have any cobble in the chest?
Huh?
No,
Dude, don't go on that one because I'm gonna be on there.
I'm going all the way up, dude.
Okay, you do that.
That way you have to build it.
Dude, then all we have to do now is put the hoppers there and
In the chest. Oh crap, dude! Watch out! Water inbound, water inbound.
dude, this is cool. It's like touching everything but me.
What? The water?
Mhm.
That's funny.
I'm invincible.
Alright, dude. I'm at the tippity top tip. Dude, there was one thing. It was actually like a very funny thing. I was watching my first PewDiePie video, or not my first, but I was watching PewDiePie, and then
Wait, what?
he was playing this game, and then his health got really low.
Who are you watching?
Oh, PewDiePie.
I don't know who that is.
He's the world's biggest channel with 59 million subscribers.
Cool.
Well, anyways, he got down. His health. Oh. Hello, Enos.
To go on that one right there. Start digging up, okay? Because I only have a little bit of cobblestone left, okay?
No, place one block there, just one.
Oh, go back one. Go back one. I'll do it.
I swear it's like a singular parkour course. Wait, how much cobble do you have left?
Dude, 19.
Oh crap, we might not have enough.
I do, dude. I do.
Don't punch me. I will be severely mad.
Oh, never mind. I don't, dude. I do not have enough.
What? I thought you said you had, like, staff.
Dude, don't turn off the water because I'm coming up. Do not turn off the water.
I know.
Dude, I do have gravel, though.
No, I'm picky now.
Dude, I have an idea, though. I have an idea.
Okay.
Ah! Why can I not make this?
Here in 5 minutes.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah.
Dude, I actually thought we actually had enough to make it this time.
Was it? Get one. Do you have one?
I know how mobs feel now.
Place it right there.
I just keep on falling. Come on. I feel like a noob. Oh, I know. I was crawling, dude. Dude, that was my thing. Like, one of these, it has an extra row right here. And now all we have to do is come and grab this.
Oh, dude, I've breaking the bicycle sword. Wait, hold on, dude. Don't let the fart kill you. Oh, darn it. I suck at this.
No!
Alright, dude. Well, place the row back.
Dude, I have 3.
Alright. We have to finish this. Okay. Yeah. Ready, boss?
Dude, I think we're just gonna have to use gravel.
What happened to picky?
Well, I'm picky. It's too lazy to go down and grab some cobblestone.
Did you run out?
Dude, what the?
What happened, dude? All I saw was that I fell because I tried to do the thing you did, and then all of a sudden, all I saw was your name or your game tag fall.
You hit me.
How did I hit you when I was falling?
Dude, you said no gravel and hit me off.
I'm sorry. Just saying, dude, every moment of that was worth it.
For you. Dude, we forgot to get the torches out of there.
You're right, dude. It's all your fault. How could you let this happen?
You're the one who killed me.
Alright, dude, let's go get us some Kuber.
Dude, get about 20 pieces while I go get my stuff.
I already got your stuff, Sam.
How much cobblestone do you have?
I've got 1 piece. There's all your stuff back, Sam. Dude, all your stuff is in front of me. Stupid llamas.
Dude, do you know what would be the best ravine? Is to put cobblestone right here. Or not cobblestone, gravel. Because then if they try to dig up, they'd have to break all the gravel.
Yeah. Let's just build the rest out of droid.
No, dude, it won't take us long to get that little...
I already have it.
No, dude, don't do it.
Why?
You have cobblestone?
No. Wait, no. Don't mind us. Don't mind us out.
Dude, this could be like a chest room or something.
A major chest room, you mean?
No, I mean just this little part right here.
Are you still recording?
Yeah, I am. Sorry, guys.
Oh, okay, dude. So that's just kind of like your mining area?
Yes. Because, dude, look at all the iron I've left. I was too lazy to get it because I didn't want to break my pickaxe.
Your enchanted pickaxe?
No, my diamond pickaxe.
Oh, okay.
We don't have an enchantment table, do we?
No, but we can make one.
Dude, I got enough. Let's go.
Wait. Dude, come here. There's all that. There's all the coal. There's your steak. There's that.
Dude, all I want is what I have. You can have the rest.
Wait, hold on, Enos, come down here.
Dude, this is going to be so annoying. Why'd you do it?
Enos, come here.
Why didn't you at least leave some water?
Enos, come here.
What?
Never mind. Well, I have to go.
Okay, see ya, dude.
See ya.
I'll finish this myself. So anyway, and shortly our cobblestone generator will be done. I can't believe we didn't have enough, literally though, guys. Like, we had tons and tons and tons and tons and tons and tons. I'm not done. And tons 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 of cobblestone. I will be right back to get the. That's Angie.